Welcome to BTMA Factory. Today we introduce our 500 kilogram per hour palm fruit oil press machine. This machine is specially designed for small and medium-scale palm oil production. It is suitable for processing fresh palm fruits directly into crude palm oil. It supports both diesel engine and electric motor, making it flexible for different working environments. This is the feeding hopper where fresh palm fruits are loaded. The pressing chamber is built with durable steel for long service life. It uses a powerful screw shaft to press oil from the fruit pulp. The discharged oil flows through the outlet at the bottom. Fibers and nuts are automatically separated from the oil. This machine is easy to operate, energy-saving, and efficient. Now, you can see the machine being packed and ready for shipment. BTMA, your reliable palm oil machinery supplier. Subscribe to learn more.